In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Wix template. Whether you're planning to freshen up your site's look or start from scratch with a new design, I'll guide you through the process. While Wix is a fantastic platform for building and customizing websites, it doesn't, unfortunately, allow direct template switching for existing sites. So, if you're looking to change a template for a site you already have, there are a few steps you'll need to follow, and I'm here to walk you through them. Firstly, it's important to know that you'll need to create a new site to apply a new template. This might sound like a bit of extra work, but it actually provides a great opportunity to reassess your site's objectives, layout, and overall design. Start by going to your Wix account dashboard. This is where all your sites are listed and managed. Once you're there, look for the option to create a new site. Click on it to get started. Next, Wix will ask you what kind of website you want to create. You'll see options ranging from business to online store, portfolio, blog, and more. Select the category that best describes the type of site you want. This helps Wix suggest templates that are specifically tailored to suit your needs. Once you've made your selection, you'll be presented with a variety of template options. Take your time browsing through these templates. Wix offers a wide range of designs, so don't rush this part. Consider how each template will support your content and reflect your brand. Keep in mind that templates serve as a foundation for your website. You can customize the colors, fonts, and more after choosing one, so focus on the structure and layout that catches your eye. After you've settled on the perfect template, click Edit to start customizing your new site. As you dive into the editor, you'll find that Wix offers a lot of customization options, from simple text changes to more